guests at mga kasama natin sa serbisyo at ating active and regular AFP forces. Welcome to the second Arapian General Assembly and back-to-back the AFP Reservist National Convention. Proud AFP service.
Join us, be a reservist.
It's very important to me kasi matagal ko na pong gustong maglingkod sa bayan. And gusto ko po talagang makatulong ng kapwa ko. And I just felt like I needed more support and I found it dito po sa Philippine Air Force.
One of my most memorable since I was entered the service was 2010, I remember. I was in politics at the time. So I've been nagsasabay yung pagiging politiko at the same time yung aking pagiging service. So we had those outreach program na ginagawa namin at naipagpatuloy ko yung pagiging politiko at the same time yung pagmamahal sa bansa.
What is the first question that the Chief of Staff or the Flag Officer in Command, Philippine Navy, will ask the Reserve Command like me? Basically, he will ask, how many reservists can you give me in that emergency, conflict, or anything like that?
It is inherent for the Reserve Commands, part ng mandate na ito, that we have to come up or we have to build a credible reserve force that is readily deployable at any time.
As you know, we are transitioning to territorial defense, but in the case of the Philippine Army, one of the directives of the department is how we can still sustain our gains in internal security operations.
This initiative is directly supports the capability-driven initiatives of the Philippine Air Force. That's why the Air Force Reserve Command presently aligns its programs, activities, and projects in order to ensure functional replication. This means that every service shall mirror strength and skills of our active force.
Sabi nga ni Dr. Jose Rizal, ang kabataan ng pag-asa. Pero kung pwede kong i-edit ng konti, ang kabataan na may takot sa Diyos, kabataan na may puso, at ang maring makapag-lingkod sa bayan, ang pag-asa ng ating bansa.
Now is a fundamental component of our national defense, not just for the armed forces of the Philippines, but for the whole nation. And of course, we in the Reserve Force serves as a vital part of this total force concept. And it offers a unique strength in cyber defense, civilian expertise, search capacity, and cost-effective management.
We know that the armed forces of the Philippines is currently navigating a very crucial period. The AFP modernization efforts are in full motion, moving towards the comprehensive archipelagic defense concept. This strategic vision
projecting power to protect your exclusive economic zone and securing the lines across Saudi Arabia.
Like many of you, I answered the call when my governor called. Coming into service, he actually down for the Guam National Guard. So I applaud you all for your willingness to serve your country.
Knowing that you are part of a force or a unit or I would call them a unit na mga taong committed at dedicated sa pagtulong sa bayan, it's an honor for us.
Senator motto ko is to inspire is the greatest human act. Itong pagpasok ko sa serbisyo dito sa Reserve Force, ito na rin siguro yung instrumento ko para mag-inspire ng maraming tao na serving the nation and serving our country is one of the most fulfilling pwede mong gawin habang nabubuhay.
I'm from Iowa Season 2. I'm your Iowa Season 2 Governor, and I am proud AFP service.
So this is really the map, the document that will tell us the islands of the Philippine archipelago. The islands that were ceded by Spain to the US in 2 treaties and which now form Philippine territory.
So basically, this is how now we fight the information environment. And I believe that you members of the reservists have a very important role. And that is why the AFP Strategic Communication Mulat Makes Awaken. Imulat tayo sa katotohanan. Imulat tayo sa ating pinaglalaban.
You are all the strategic plan of the armed forces, the bridge between the uniformed service and the entire Filipino people. In history today, this is the biggest ever reservist gathering historically sa buong history ng Pilipinas. 4,500 tayo.